This exercise is single leg stretch. Bring your knees one at a time into your tummy. In this exercise, if it's too much on your neck at any time, please put your head down, but I want you to think of lifting your shoulders and head off the ground if you can. You're going to hug one knee in, and as you breathe out, you're going to take the other leg away. And I'm pulling on this knee, and I've got my hand just touching to get a slight move on the outside of the leg. So breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. We're looking for a 45-degree angle. This isn't taking the leg all the way down to the ground. If that is too intense, drop the head and you can take the leg a little higher. I want you to feel this in your tummy though, in your abdominals. That's what we're aiming to work here. So just be really aware. If you take your leg very much lower than that, the back starts to arch. As long as you're feeling in your tummy, you're getting the work out. Bracing those abdominals. When you've had enough, hug your knees into your chest and rest. Again, if you want to give yourself a little back massage, please do. Taking the feet back down to the mat.